Hello everyone, this is Harshvardhan from IIT Bhubaneswar. From now we will learn the Python. This is an introductory video regarding the Python. Now we will see what is a Python. Python. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Here are some of the key features of the Python. Now we will discuss what is high-level and what is an interpreted programming language in detail. Now, one of the some of the key features of the Python is first one is simple and readable syntax. Irrespective of the other languages like the C, Java, the Python is very simple in the syntax and easily readable. So the user can understand the syntax very easily compared to the other languages. It is simple and readable. Python syntax is designed to be clear and easy to read, making it accessible for the beginners and enjoyable for experienced programmers, which is very most important. And now further proceed with it is a interrupted languages. So what is meant by interrupted languages? If the code reads by line, it is said to be interrupted. Otherwise, if the code read enter at the same time, it is called a compile. But Python is a interrupted languages, which means it reads the code by line. So which means you can run the Python program without the need of a compilation because your code is run by line. And the whole high level language. Python abstract many complex detail away from the programmers, allow you to focus on solving problems rather than worrying about low level detail. So as a high level language, so you can easily read what is the content that you have written in the screen of the Python. So you can easily access. You don't need to worry of the binary level representation of the how the code works. So there is no need to worry about binary level representation. And it is a dynamic typing. I will explain you the topic of dynamic typing in with the example. Suppose, let us assume that you are having in a like C in C, as far as remember, we declare a variable like int a indicates that it is a variable, it belongs to integer data type. Yes, of course, but in the Python, you define like that a equal to 10. The system is a dynamically typed as 10 is an integer. The system automatically saves the a as data type integer. So the system automatically saves the data type regarding the value that we have assigned for the variable. So it is called dynamically typed. So another one and the final one, extensive standard library. Python comes with a vast standard library that provides modules and functions for a wide range of the tasks, from working with the files and networks to implementing the complex algorithm. And some of the famous libraries that I will tell are modules that I will tell NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. So these are the libraries that are extensively used for the scientific calculations and visual representation. These are very useful for the visual representation as the Python supports multiple libraries for a different purpose. So this is the introductory video regarding why the Python is actually necessary in this field and what are the specialities of the Python. So we will proceed with the next video regarding the variables and how we will assign the variables. Okay. If you like the video, subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.